Hi, my peanut butter cups. Christmas is almost here, and I have the best idea. Let's make a super cute paper Christmas tree together. Grab an A4 board and stick some double-sided tape on one corner. Now roll it into a cone shape. Let's snip off the bottom so it stands up nicely. Ta-da! Look! We made a cone. Time to get green. Take green A4 papers, fold them in half using a 5 cm ruler. And snip, snip, snip. Stick some double-sided tape along the edge of the folded paper. Let's make fringes. Grab some scissors and cut little strips along the folded edge. But don't cut all the way through. Look at those cute little fringes. Time to curl those fringes. You can roll them around a pencil or use your fingers like me. Squeeze them a little to get that curly shape. So fun, right? Now, take those fringes and start sticking them onto your cone, row by row. Cover the whole cone with your green fringes. Wow! Look at that fluffy Christmas tree. Let's decorate. Take a glitter sheet and cut out 2 stars. Sparkly and perfect. Stick them together at the top of your tree. Take some colorful paper and use a hole puncher to make tiny dots. Add a little glue and stick them onto your tree like ornaments. It's looking so festive already. And there you go, a super adorable DIY Christmas tree. Thank you for crafting with me today. Don't forget to share your tree and tag me. I'd love to see them.